So let's continue to find out more about what we don't know and illuminating answers and the right questions to ask using ChatGPT for specifically our business. And we're going to get more specific on questions. So we got more specific and we asked, what are 10 questions I can ask for opening my own coffee shop? I'll be selling various items like drinks, breakfast and lunch, and coffee-related merchandise like trendy items for drinking coffee at home. And it came up with 10 great questions to ask ChatGPT. What is my budget for starting a coffee shop and how will I finance my business? What is my target market and how can I cater to their needs and preferences, which is a great question. And what location will be best for my coffee shop and how will I evaluate potential sites? That question, I'm actually really curious to see what ChatGPT will answer that I'm potentially not thinking about. This is great. So it's going into detail on considering the demographics in the area I'd like to open my coffee shop, foot traffic, with really keeping in mind that you want to have a location with high foot traffic, accessibility, competition, rent and expenses, zoning and regulations, and community support, with a nice little breakdown of each of those terms. And these all act as a great jumping off point to do before you start enacting any of the physical side or spending money or putting the pieces together, because asking the right question here can save you so much more time and a headache not down the road by missing and not knowing what you don't know and making mistakes. So let's move on to another question of what are your competitors doing to gain success or drive sales? Of course, you can continue to go down breaking these different bullet points up into more elaborate answers or move on to a next question. So let's do that. What are my competitors doing to gain success or drive sales? So here's our answer. ChatGPT wasn't able to get specific information on my competitors in this scenario, but it still offered some good strategies for coffee shops to leverage and create more success and drive more sales. So offering high quality products, creating a brand and atmosphere at the coffee shop, providing excellent customer service, using promotions and loyalty programs, partnering with other businesses, emphasizing sustainability and social responsibility, and lastly, leveraging technology, which is what we're doing in this situation right now. And as my last example, as we're going down this rabbit hole, what I want to ask it is, what are some trends that have been observed in the coffee business in recent years that are likely to continue in the future? So we're going to learn about past successes, past trends that are really likely to continue in this specific business. So lastly, it's honestly identified some really great trends about specialty coffee, more craft, local brewed coffee, and convenience, mobile ordering that's been so much more popular these days. And really, just all these points could literally be copied and pasted into the overall plan for going after this type of business endeavor. So that should illuminate the right questions to ask ChatGPT to really learn more about what you don't know. And even if you don't know the question to ask ChatGPT, you can ask it to tell you the right questions to ask in the first place, which is an incredible tool to use.